Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a what's in my bag video. I have been sporting this Louis Vuitton Speedy B25. This is in the Demier Azur nautical print. For the last couple weeks, I have been loving it, enjoying it so much, loving that I was able to dust off its dust bag and take it out for a spin, and I have really enjoyed it so much. So I thought, why not share what's in my bag? So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. So this is the most beautiful print in my opinion. I absolutely love the combination. I love that it has the Demier Azur print, which is so elegant and chic. And then it also has this great pop of pink on this side. It has this great gold nautical chain and ropes, and it goes on the side. You also see it on the bottom of the bag, and then on this side of the bag it is super neutral, which is so versatile. Love that you can wear absolutely anything with this bag. It goes with everything. And then if you need to add a little pop of color, you have that option with that gorgeous pastel pink on that side. So I have received quite a few compliments the last few weeks. I've been sporting this bag around. It is so pretty. I feel like it's prettier in person even than it's showing up on video. It's just a stunning bag and I love it. I was so excited to pull it out and start using it again. This will be my second spring/summer for this bag and I love it so much. All right, so let's see what's inside. So first I have my little keychain that has my car key, my house key, and then my AirPods. I'm not gonna open that up because it does stop my filming for whatever reason. So that is what I have there. I also have some Orbit's Sweet Mint Gum. This one's really good. It's very mild. If you need a little bit more of a kick, here's Listerine spray. This one's really good. It's refreshing. I really like it. And then let's see what else. I have my beautiful Demier Azur. This is the full-size Clemence wallet. I absolutely love it. And I do have a full review on all my wallets. Louis Vuitton wallets. So if you're interested in that, I can link it for you guys. So next I have my Saturday Skin. This is the hand sanitizer. It is green tea and gardenia fruit. So really a fresh scent. I really enjoy this one. It's very conditioning. Like it doesn't dry your hands out like some do. Really like this one. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, can't leave home without my phone charger. This is a really good one. I love how easy it is to use. You can just plug it into your phone and then just keep using your phone. So it is such a good little one to carry, and it has pretty good battery life on here. So I really enjoy that one. Oh, I just picked these up from the store today. So these are breath savers, and I tried one on the way home. Really good. And then here is my Dior makeup pouch. This was kind of one of those Nordstrom deals where you purchase a set and it came with this beautiful pink makeup pouch, which I have used so much. Love this makeup pouch. It's like the perfect size for most of my bags, and the color. Are you kidding me? So good. All right, so inside my makeup pouch, I have not only the most delicious smelling perfume, but oh my goodness, isn't that beautiful? That is so cute. I love it. Obviously, I'm a sucker for packaging. They did well on this one. I bought it for the packaging, and then I smelled it and was like, okay, it's all good. It smells divine, looks fantastic. All right, so next I have this Chanel mirror. I just picked this up. I really wanted one of the colored ones. that I was seeing online. Evidently they sold out in 5 minutes. So, you know me, late to the game. But this is absolutely beautiful. Just a gorgeous mirror. I love that it has Chanel on the front. The only thing I don't love is just how easily it gets smudged with fingerprints, but I guess it's worth it to be able to carry such a beautiful mirror, and it does help with the fingerprints to kind of carry it inside this little felt pouch that comes with it. It is so cute. So next I have a Dior lipstick. Again, huge sucker for packaging, and isn't this packaging stunning, you guys? So pretty. So this color, and it's in Rose Celestial. I'll just show you real quick a kind of a little swatch so you can see. Rose Celestial. It's pretty. I love it. It's like a nudie pink. I also have this one, also by Dior. And this one is also the Dior Addict, but it's in the color Carnage. So let's see. And this one is clearly more of a pink, but just beautiful. A nude and a pink. I always like to have a nice creamy nude and a nice kind of pop of color pink, but nothing too over the top. Like, I feel like these are just really, really pretty. And then I also have this really good kind of creamy pink Chanel lip gloss, and it's just creamy, kind of like that milky white, creamy gloss. Not a lot of color to it, but definitely glossy. So I really enjoy this one. I also have my sunglasses in here, and I grabbed this little sunglass case off Amazon. I loved how sparkly and pink and spring summer-y it looked. And I don't know about you, but too often I find myself kind of just throwing my sunglasses just wherever, and I was worried about breaking them, and I should take better care of them. So I went ahead and got a cute case, thinking, well, if I have a really cute case, maybe I'll want to carry the case around more, so I'll be more careful and put them in the actual sunglass case. Not sure if that's going to work, but so far it has, because I find this really satisfying, this sparkly pink beautiful case. So love it. So I also have my little daily planner. I feel like my life is in this book. I have all of my kids, lesson plans, their piano lessons. I have their play dates scheduled in here, their sporting events, everything's in here. And then all of my things are also in here. I feel like if I left this at home, I wouldn't have a clue where we're going next and what we're doing. So this is a great size to keep in your purse. I usually have a really large size day planner. This one is so much easier regardless of what size purse. I frequently change bags, and sometimes they're small and sometimes they're big, but this one's gonna go in any of the bags I own, which is awesome. Oh, we're getting down to the end of it. All right, so next I have this little mesh pouch that I picked up from Amazon. It came with a variety of different sizes and colors. I just like that I can kind of see through here what's in here, so I don't have to dig through it if it's not in there. So this is kind of like a little first aid kind of kit. It has a lot of little different things I need. One is I have my Claritin, so I can have something if my allergies act up on me. I also have this really great Band-Aid, but it's more a cushion blister pad. So if I got a blister, it just cushions the blister, which is great. I also have a bunch of these lens wipes for my sunglasses. And you can use them for your phone too if you need to get all those fingerprints off. And then I also have some wet ones in here. Let's see what else. I have some Tums. You never know when you might need those, but it's really miserable if you don't have them. And then I have some Mucinex cough drops I like to keep with me, especially during allergy season. I also have some of these Dramamine ginger chews. I usually carry Dramamine in some form or other. These are more natural and they seem to work. I've tried them a few times. Now, if my daughter gets very car sick, we're gonna go with the Dramamine Children's, and I have those here as well. So it's nice to have all the things, and I love this cute little pouch. Like I said, you can kind of just look through it and kind of see, oh yeah, it's in there, you know? You don't have to dig through it and then find that you're looking in the wrong spot. So that's nice. So that is everything. No, it's not. Just kidding. Psych. I have a $5 bill, which I almost never have cash. But yes, I needed it to pay someone back. So my husband's like, I have a $5. I was like, oh, I need that. So I'll put that in my wallet. But other than that, it's empty. So we got through all the things. Let me just show you the interior of the bag. And the inside of the bag is stunning, you guys. I love the interior of this bag. It is beautiful. And of course, as with all Louis Vuitton items, everything is always so well done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this What's in My Bag video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, and I'd love it so much if you'd subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.